So we have two short division problems. The first one, let's do to review how we do short division. So this short division problem will be 19 divided by 4. Now that means we have to count by 4 until we get to close to 19. So we go 4, 8, 12, 16. And so we know that we're close to 19 now, and that will give us 4. And that gave us 16, so now we have 19, take away 16. So we can count after 16 till we get to 19, and we get 17, 18, 19. So that gives us 3 as a remainder over 4, which is 3/4. And if we look at this second problem, which is 20 divided by 6, we say that we can see that by counting by 6 till we get close to 20, we get 6, 12, 18, so the answer is 3, as we have here. And since that's 20, take away 18, counting after 18, we get 19, 20, which is 2. So our answer indeed is 20 divided by 6 is 3 2/6. Now, we have put these two answers, 4 3/4, 4 3/4, and 3 2/6, 3 2/6 down here so we can add them. Now, since we are adding fractions, if we review, we know we need to first find the common denominators for 4 and 6. So we can go up here and put 4 and 6, and we see that 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 6 times 2 is 12, and 4 times 3 is 12. So our common denominator we can see is 12. And so we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3, if we look down here, equals 12. And we have 6 times 2. And we can see 6 times 2 equals 12. Then we have to multiply the numerator, the top number, each by the same number we multiply at the bottom. In this case, 3. We get 3 times 3 is 9. And if we do the same for the bottom mixed number and fraction, we have 6 times 2 is 12, and we have 2 times 2 is 4. So now we can add the numerators of the fractions with the common denominators, and we get 9 plus 4 equals 13. And we put that 13 over 12. And we got 4 plus 3 is 7. Now we want to see what happens if we multiply these two mixed numbers. And to multiply them, we have to multiply the parts of the top number times the parts of the bottom number. And so first we see we have the whole number parts, 4 times 3. So we multiply 4 times 3. And then we have the fraction parts right here. 3/4 times 2/6. So we have 3/4. But instead of doing 2/6, we want to reduce 2/6. We can see that we can reduce it. So we come over here and we write 2/6. And we say 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so we get 1/3 as the reduced fraction. So let's put 1/3 in the place of 2/6. Now, we also have to multiply the whole number times the fraction part, and we'll multiply the whole number times the fraction part with the common denominator. So we will get 4 times 4/12, and we will get 3 times 9/12. Now we have written down the multiplications of all the parts of the top number times all the parts of the bottom number. So let's do those multiplications. We started with 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. And now we have 3/4 times 1/3, and that to multiply, we actually have to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So 3 times 1 will give us 3, and 4 times 3 will give us 12. And now we do the same thing with the bottom numbers. We have a whole number times a fraction, and you multiply the whole number times the numerator. So we have 4 times 4, which will give us 16/12. And we have 3 times 9, which will give us 27/12. Now we're ready to sum all of these together. And so again, we have the whole number part, which is 12. And then we have to add the numerators for the fractions, which already have a common denominator of 12. And so we have 3 plus 27 is 30, plus 16 is 46. So we have 46/12. Then we have what is called an improper fraction, 46/12, which is really the same as a short division problem, 46 divided by 12. And so let's put our short division problem up here, which is 46 divided by 12. And so first we have to count by 12s until we get to 46. And so that'll give us 12, 24, 36, and the next is 48, which is more than 46, so our answer is 3. And since 3 times 12 was 36, we have to subtract 36 from the 46. 6 take away 6 is 0. 4 take away 3 is 10. So we have a remainder of 10. So we have 10/12. So now we can put our answer down here. So we have 3 more wholes to add to our 12. So that will give us 15. And we have a remainder of 10/12. So now I've completed all the fraction arithmetic. I have divided the short division problems. I've added the mixed numbers. And I have multiplied the parts of the mixed numbers. And I have added those products together to get our answer of 12 and 46/12. And then I recognize 46/12 as 46 divided by 12 in improper fraction. So I did the short division on the improper fraction, and I got 3 more wholes, which gave me 15 and 10/12. So use this example to try to finish the fraction arithmetic on the next worksheet.